How to turn on or turn off text message auto download MMS when roaming on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on message app. After click on message app, click on this profile icon. Scroll down and click on messages settings. After click on messages settings, scroll down and click on advanced. After click on advanced, you will see here showing you auto download MMS when roaming. If you want to turn off auto download MMS roaming, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see auto download MMS roaming is turned off. If you want to turn on auto download MMS when roaming, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see auto download MMS when roaming is turned on. You will turn on or turn off auto download MMS when roaming from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off text message auto download MMS when roaming on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.